Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can make polls in your Slack workspace. For example, to collect feedback and opinions from your workspace members and contacts and friends here in Slack. It is actually very simple, guys, and we're going to guide you through this step by step, how you can do that, and post a poll in your Slack workspace in a specific channel, for example. Using polls is a great way to improve team engagement, gather quick insights, and streamline decision-making across your workspace. So let us dive right into it. Head over to Slack, log into your account, and what you will need to do, guys, is for this method, integrate a poll application or app here from the Slack library. You can install it and integrate it into your Slack workspace really easily. Let us show you how you can do it now. Just for the sake of this tutorial, let me uninstall that polling application and install it after that once again, step by step, to show you how to do it. Reinstalling the app helps you see the full setup flow clearly, so you know exactly what to expect when you install it for the first time. So now, it's time to mimic the basis for details of extension and see what the app could do. And let me get no message to make any responsible setup. So what you want to do, guys, is return to your overview here of your workspace. And here to the left, you will see the list of installed apps. Now, to add that polling application and to integrate it with your Slack workspace, click into Add Apps here. After that, you may see, for example, that polling applications already under recommended apps, or you may use, for example, other polling applications. I personally haven't tested so far yet, so it is up to you which one you use. There are dozens of Slack polling apps available, and depending on your needs, some may offer advanced analytics, unlimited options, or scheduling tools. So for the sake of this story, we will install the given polling application I just deleted because I've already some experience in using it. So what you will need to do, guys, is use the search bar at the top and type in Simple Poll. If you can't find it here, guys, simply click into Open in Slack Marketplace in the top right corner. That is going to redirect you to the Slack Marketplace of supported apps. Simply use the search bar at the top. Type in Simple Poll, select that search result, and as you can see, now you could install it simply by clicking into Add to Slack. Simple Poll is one of the most widely used tools because of its simplicity and clean interface. Here to the left, you may also read through the description to familiarize yourselves with the instructions how to use that polling application, but I'm going to guide you through it step by step, guys, and show you how you can create a poll in your Slack workspace as a beginner. Guys, it is very simple. So click into Add to Slack here. After that, install and integrate the given application. You may read through these permissions on the next page. And if you're okay with that permission and would like to grant these to this app, simply click on Allow here. So let me do that really quickly. Reviewing permissions is important. Different apps may require access to messages, user info, or channels. Wait for a brief moment. After that, go through a short setup. Answer questions like this. Here, for example, just like that. So let me answer these questions also. Let me agree to the TOS, click on Continue, finish this short setup, and click into Continue in Slack. Wait for a brief moment, and there you go. You will be redirected to your Slack workspace. Most apps in Slack follow a similar setup flow, so once you learn this process, you'll be able to integrate other apps easily. So here on the left panel, guys, you will see that Simple Poll application added to your list of integrated apps. You can immediately get started with your first poll by communicating with or by interacting with this application. To do that, click into the text box here and use the simple command /and. After that, create poll, or simply type in poll. You will see the list of commands here suggested. Select create poll, just like that. That is going to redirect you to that window here. /commands are one of the fastest ways to interact with Slack apps, saving you a lot of time. So here you can start creating your poll. Start by selecting the recipients or the users or the channel you would like to address with your poll. Here, next to Send Your Poll To, click into Select, and after that, select who you would like to send your poll to, and who you would like to participate in it, like the entire channel of all its channel members, or specific people, by sending them MUD. For example, that poll via direct message to collect their answers or their feedback. Direct message polls are especially useful for private feedback or team-specific decisions. So let me go with the channel here and select your channel below. The channel must be, of course, part of your workspace. So let me go with this channel here. After that, click on Save below and customize your poll. Enter your question or topic below here into the text field. So let me post the question, which is your favorite ice cream flavor, for example, or something like that. So type in your question here. When writing questions, keep them short and clear so participants can respond quickly. Below, add options. For instance, you may give your poll participants the opportunity to select not only one but many options if you click into that response type here. Or you may give your poll participants the opportunity to write written answers, short text, or to rank options, or to rate on a scale from 1 to 5. So let's go for select many options response type here. These different response types help you gather exactly the kind of data you're looking for. After that, you may enable, for example, pre-fill options, like if you'd like your poll participants to answer or to reply only with yes or no, or agree or disagree, so very simple options. Or you may simply enter options below, customized options. Like if we're talking about ice cream flavor, you may add chocolate as option 1, option 2 vanilla, and if you'd like to add more options, click into that button, Add Option. Option 3, strawberry. Add option number 4, hazelnut. Add option number 5, and so on and so forth, guys. Try to limit options to avoid overwhelming participants. Now, as you can see, some of these polling applications here in the Slack library or marketplace may have only limited options available within these polls for users who don't have access to a premium membership here on Slack. But if you're okay with a poll that has up to 5 options, you're good to go. Upgrading adds benefits like unlimited options and advanced poll customization. Last but not least, guys, go through these additional settings here. You may allow your poll participants to provide anonymous responses by selecting this option here. Then you may decide whether you'd like to show the results of the poll in real time or keep it hidden so that only you see it and not the poll participants. Then you can also set a reminder and mention poll participants here by switching from no, for example, to the channel or to select specific people to notify them of the posting of the given poll within the channel. These settings help you control visibility, privacy, and participation, which is especially helpful in larger workspaces. Click into Save in the bottom right corner. Here, guys, you can select an ending or closing for the given poll, like after an hour, for example, 10 minutes, even after a week, or you can keep it open-ended by leaving it at No here. In the final step, guys, either post the given poll now by clicking into Preview here. That will redirect you to the poll preview so you can go through that preview and check if your content with the poll set up. If that's the case, guys, click into Create Poll in the bottom right corner. Previewing helps you catch mistakes before the poll goes live. Alternatively, click into Back here, schedule the publishing by clicking into this button here. However, guys, as you can see, that feature is available only for users who have signed up for premium membership here on Slack. Scheduling is useful for coordinating announcements across different time zones. So let me post that one really quickly. Click into Preview here, and after that, click into Create Poll. After that, the given poll will be sent to your channel members. As you can see, you will see the preview here, and all invited channel members, basically every member of the channel, will be notified of the given poll when accessing the given channel here. Notifications ensure higher participation rates. This is how a poll posted in your channel might look like. They will be given the opportunity to select one or more of these options here, or click into Open to open the poll in a separate window and, to provide your answers here. You will see the given answers below with the username. For example, this poll has already one respondent, and the respondent has selected this answer here. You can monitor responses in real time and make decisions based on accurate input from your team. And that's how it works, guys. Let's call it a day here. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment letting us know what tutorial you want next.